Welcome to our deep dive into Life Alive Organic Café's AI Visibility Report. In today's digital world, how restaurants appear in AI-driven search results can make or break their growth. Life Alive, a beloved plant-based fast casual brand, currently ranks 4-5 in its category with an average visibility score of 64.3. This means it's moderately visible but not top of mind for AI recommendations. Every month, this gap sends 40–60% of potential organic leads to competitors like Sweetgreen, Kava, and Just Salad. Let's explore why Life Alive isn't capturing the top spots and what can be done to change that. Healthy fast casual space is fiercely competitive. Sweetgreen leads nationally with unmatched brand awareness and AI visibility. Kava follows, known for its Mediterranean bowls and strong digital presence. Just Salad is well indexed by AI models, while Life Alive stands out for its 100% organic regional cult brand identity. True Food Kitchen and Fresheye round out the leaderboard. Life Alive's unique positioning as an urban oasis is memorable, but its regional footprint limits national AI recommendations. Understanding this landscape is key to identifying where Life Alive can gain ground. Let's break down Life Alive's current AI visibility. With an average score of 64.3, it's ranked 4 in Best Healthy Fast Casual Queries. 2 leading language models were audited, and Life Alive received overwhelmingly positive sentiment. 90% of responses praised its quality and community vibe. However, it's not being recommended in the top 3 for most national queries. This means that despite a strong reputation, Life Alive is missing out on a significant share of AI-driven discovery. The opportunity cost is real, but so is the potential for improvement. Digging into the numbers, we see why Life Alive's AI visibility lags. Brand recognition is solid, especially when models know the founder and acquisition story. Product knowledge is strong, with specific menu items like the Adventurer and Rebel Bowls recognized. However, technical clarity such as ordering integrations and up-to-date pricing is the weakest area. Social proof like reviews and community mentions is inconsistent. The wide gap between model scores highlights inconsistent AI training data, which can be fixed with targeted content updates. Life Alive shines in several areas. It's recognized for its founder story, memorable urban oasis brand, and specific menu items. Sentiment is overwhelmingly positive, especially among Boston locals and plant-based eaters. But there are clear gaps. Technical clarity is lacking, with missing details on ordering and integrations. There's no quantified review count, and the regional focus limits national AI recommendation. Competitors have advantages in scale, technology, and menu variety, especially with animal proteins. Addressing these gaps is crucial for boosting AI visibility. Asked AI models describe Life Alive as a vibrant, plant-based cafe with a wellness-focused atmosphere. It's praised for its organic grain bowls and community vibe, often called an urban oasis. The brand is well regarded within vegetarian and vegan circles, but its regional footprint means it's less likely to be recommended nationally. The most distinctive attribute, according to AI, is the unique ambience, vibrant murals, cozy seating, and a spiritual wellness ethos. No competitor uses this framing, making it a powerful brand signal to amplify. Closer look at the data reveals why Life Alive's AI visibility is inconsistent. There are conflicting details between models. One knows the founder and recent news, the other doesn't. Pricing, ordering integrations, and new location openings are often missing or outdated. This 20-point gap in AI scores means that, in some cases, Life Alive is nearly invisible in AI-driven recommendations. These issues are fixable with accurate, up-to-date content on Wikipedia, press releases, and the official website. Consistency is key for AI to recognize and recommend the brand. Boost AI visibility. Life Alive needs a focused action plan. In the first 2 weeks, update all public sources with accurate founding info, acquisition details, pricing, and active locations. Over the next 2 months, generate indexed reviews on Yelp, Google, and TripAdvisor and seed content in relevant online communities. Pursue local awards and ensure press coverage is AI-friendly. For long-term growth, create comparison content, listicles, and national press outreach. Establish Urban Oasis as a branded search term with dedicated landing pages. Life Alive has a compelling story and a loyal following. With targeted AI content strategy, it can close the visibility gap and compete with national leaders. By fixing data inconsistencies, amplifying its unique brand identity, and engaging with online communities, Life Alive can move from moderately visible to a top A-recommended restaurant. The opportunity is clear. Stop losing leads to competitors and let AI discover the full story of Life Alive. The next 60 days could be transformative for the brand's digital future.